we think there is a need for new languages in the future, or future languages. One of the idea of future languages also is more of a global language that can take aspects of many other languages and create one uniform language that allows communication to happen. And really, I think what the spectator gets in terms of the narrative is just that there's this idea of future language, whatever that means to them at the start, and then they keep hearing certain phrases. The phrases that get used a lot throughout the show are, can you hear me? Can you understand me? And as the show goes on, they become more robotic sounding, and finally at the end of the show, they're just completely convoluted where you can't understand what they are anymore, using audio techniques, reversing it, putting vocoders on there so it sounds really anti-humanistic, to make it really clear that these languages are deteriorating and something new is coming out. And at the end, all the speech samples that you hear at the very end are completely unrecognizable. So that, of course, all gets played out musically mostly. The first type of track is cinematic. Really, you only have two of those. It opens the show. And it's specifically about setting an emotional tone of journey. It's just strings. It's very minimalistic in a way, Philip Glass, Interstellar style, with samples that get launched later. Then the other two main types of tracks are the rock tracks. There's 4 of them, 2 at the start and 2 at the end. And then there are 4 language tracks. In general, the rock tracks are about grooving, high energy, motion, moving, virtuosic string writing. The trio plays their asses off on the rock trios, Jason, Gio, and Ryan, the 2 violins and viola. And then the 4 language tracks are string quartet and Dylan playing the sampler, launching samples and beats from there. And then the other type are covers, 2 covers, Bjork and The Tourist by Radiohead. Everything is incredibly seamless. There's transitions between everything. For us, that's what makes it a show, not a concert. That there's links between everything. And there's only, I think, one spot with intended silence or space. And that's to have time to process and to think before it moves on to the track after that.